Smile evening, Bhuvendra Kaur ma'am, smile evening, and smile evening, all smile faces. I'm very happy to welcome all smile faces to this platform. As agreed by Bhupendra ma'am last week, she is here to give the nail therapy. Actually, she is very busy with the ISA scheduled programs. All the certificate courses are going on. From that, she finds some time for our participants. So we'll be very much grateful to you, ma'am. Now, I'm very happily invite you to take over this platform. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, today we will discuss about nail therapy. Very interesting and also very powerful subject. This is again a beautiful discovery of Professor Park Jae-woo that how we can use nail as preventive part and also we can use for diagnosis purpose. Nails are actually, are located on the, yes, some participants are saying no audio. I hope my audio is there.
Yes, ma'am. It is very clear, ma'am. If they don't have any audio, they have to check their device. Because if there is any problem, surely I will inform you because I am monitoring in 2 devices. No problem.
Okay. So nail therapy is again a very powerful technique. Nail therapy we can use for treatment purpose and also we can use for diagnosis purpose. So now you know that nail is located on the distal part of our body. So according to our science, tri-origin science, that distal areas are hetero areas and the central area close by area, this is homo area. So all these distal areas are very active zones, very, very active zones. So you must have noticed that when a person die, so for few moments, his nail can still grow even after death. Just this is a matter of few moments. So it means that this area has very strong energy, very, very powerful energy. So as I always say that creator has given most beautiful, wonderful tools as healing tool. So this many variety of healing tools are there, but only thing is according to the level of our consciousness, we understand, we realize that which tool is more effective. So this nail therapy, I really like this therapy very much. And in my practice, I'm using this nail therapy more frequently. So I will talk regarding diagnosis. So here I'm sharing my presentation just to give you a glimpse that your body health is, you can see your nails and you can understand what is the status of your body health. So let's see few slides. Just a moment. Okay, just a moment. So I'm opening my slide. Yes. Now, in your daily routine, sometimes you don't focus your nails, but if you find uh, any change in your nail, you should think that some body is speaking to you. So some organ is in disharmony. That is why it is reflected on the nail, because these are distal areas, very active zones, and this nail part is greatly reflecting your body health. So now you please see your nails. So if you have healthy nails, yes, color is good and your nails are smooth with no grooves or pits, and this nail is attached to the skin, And then you will see little moon just above the cuticle. But if nail is abnormal, not healthy condition of body, then you will see discoloration, spots, separation of nail from skin, thinning or thickening, and oddly shaped. So very odd shape of nails. So don't take it lightly, because this is again a great condition of our body. But here, when we study Sujok, don't be scared if you see some abnormal kind of nail. We have solution also. It is not just for diagnosis purpose. This is the beauty of Sujok. It is not just for diagnosis, but also we have a solution, and we can go very systematically. This nail is telling, because your nails are related to some or the other organ. Also, this nail is related to some energy, your endocrine glands, your body parts, your organs, and we can understand that which organ is telling, is speaking to you. Okay, sometimes you will see one, all nails are good, but just one nail has some kind of problem. So it means that organ related, that nail related to that organ has some problem. So these are just few slides just to give you the glimpse. First, we will focus how this abnormal nails look like. So you see very pale nail. This is very pale nail, and it can be, sometimes it can be a sign of serious illness such as anemia and congestive heart failure, liver disease, or we can say malnutrition. So this is not healthy condition of nail. So you have to pay attention to your body. And it is, I advise that in case you see this kind of disharmony, so it is good to have some medical test, because you will come to know what is the situation inside. So white nails. So if you see that this kinds of white nail with darker rims, this can indicate liver problem such as hepatitis. And in this image, you can see the fingers are also jaundiced. So this is also another sign of liver. Generally, you know that when liver, when person has jaundice, yes, so you can make out from the nail and eyes. When you see his nails or eyes, yellowish nail, yellowishness in the eyes, you come to know that this person has a jaundice. Okay, so don't take it easily, because nails are very strongly speaking to you, strongly speaking to you. Now you see, this is one of the most common causes of yellow nail. It can be a fungal infection, and as fungal infection worsens, the nail bed may retract and nail may thicken and crumble. In rare cases, yellow nail can indicate a more serious condition such as severe thyroid disease, lung disease, diabetes, or psoriasis. So now you see, this is bluish nails with a bluish tint, can mean the body isn't getting enough oxygen. You see how quickly you can, if you understand the language of nails, they are speaking to you. So in this condition, you can immediately take action, and you can immediately, because this nail is, don't worry also, because as soon as you improve, as soon as you take care of your body, this nail situation will be solved, and nails will become healthy. So this kind of nail, bluish kind of thing, if you see in your nails, then it could indicate a lung problem such as emphysema, some heart problem can be associated with bluish nails. Rippled nails. So the nail surface is rippled or pitted. This may be an early sign of psoriasis or inflammatory arthritis. So discoloration of the nail is common. The skin under the nail can seem reddish brown. So cracked or split nails, brittle nails that frequently crack or split have been linked to thyroid disease. So cracking or splitting combined with a yellowish hue is more likely due to a fungal infection. So this is like puffy nail fold. You can see that nail appearing red and puffy. So this is known as inflammation of the nail fold. It may be the result of lupus or another connective tissue disorder. infection can also cause redness and inflammation of the nail fold. So we have to find out, we have to figure it out, because if nail has this kind of situation, it means something is there. So you need to consult your doctor to diagnose what situation is there inside the body. So biting your nails, also you will see people, those who are biting nails, especially in anxiety, you will see this kind of nail. So this is like nothing more than an old habit, but in some cases it is sign of persistent anxiety. So here this nail, seeing the nail, you can understand that this person has a lot of anxiety, and accordingly you can start the treatment. So now here, these are just few slides which I showed you so that you can understand that our nails are very special zones in our body. And also these nails have great power. Uh, I can give you many tips so that you can use how to treat also. And at the same time, I want to tell you, like, if whenever you feel weak and you have fatigue symptoms, then you just try one small tip. You start massaging your nail bed. You start pressing your nails for few minutes continuously, and you will feel warmness in your body, and you will feel little bit, energetic. This is the power of nail. Okay, so now I want to show you. Yes, I want to show. You have to be ready with your pen and paper so that we can write some notes. And now we will study that how each nail is connected to some of the other organ. So it is connected to meridians, it is connected to chakras, it is connected to emotions, it is connected to organs, many things. So whatever, this is very big subject actually, but let's pick out, I have picked out very bold, good points for you so that you can use practically in your daily routine. So now we will see how nails are uh, related to to your organs. Yes, first we will understand, and then we can focus how to do treatment. Okay, so again I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so you have my screen. Okay, now please, you have to write with me. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. This is not working. So we can work on another writing pad again. Share screen. Okay, so we can quickly draw. Somehow that my pad is not working, but anyway, we can draw quickly. nail side, left hand. Right hand, and then foot. So let me zoom out. Okay. Now, first we will see how it is associated with the organ. Left hand little fingernail is associated with gallbladder, spinal cord. This is spine related diseases. And here is small intestine, and here is sense organ, yang sense organ. Let me see if I have a slide so that we can save time. Just give me one second. I think I have a slide. Okay. Yes, few slides I have. Okay. Yeah, I have a slide. Good. Yes. This is slide. So, left hand, little finger, you see gallbladder. Firstly, we should focus that because hand and foot, on the hand, we have a hollow organ. On the nails of the hand, we have hollow organ, and on the foot, we have solid organ. So gallbladder, spinal cord, small intestine, large intestine, bladder, stomach. So these are called hollow organs. Yes. So now each, when you see this, now you see your nail. Sometimes you will see that only one nail has some discoloration or some crack on that nail, so that you can think about that organ. Now, first we will understand, you can take screenshot also. So first we will understand that how these organs are located on the nails, and then how to do treatment. This is very important. So if person has any large intestine problem, yes, like you can think any disease, constipation or some diarrhea or some any, because now if you know Sujok detailed science, and if you know 6 key, you can associate many other diseases related to large intestine. But as a common person, is simply if you have, let's say, person has acute spine pain, lumbar pain. Yes, so this is your left hand ring finger nail is associated with the spine disease. Now, what you have to do, you have to press this. I will tell you that you can do color therapy, you can do seed therapy, and you can also use round magnet. But first easy tip is that just start pressing, because when you will press this nail, it will send energy to the spine. And many times you will experience just by pressing this area, you will feel that pain is gone. And also those who know Sujok system and they are working for mini system spine, they can use this finger for treating the spine in mini system. So this finger is very important, This is connection with spinal cord, and also this is connected with our hotness, our hotness energy. Yes, so now a person has any sense organ related problem. So hand we have sense organ, which is hetero kind of sense organ, and in foot we have homo sense organs. So eyes, ears, and nose. Okay, now in this corona time, sometimes loss of smell and sometimes loss of taste. Immediately you should pay attention to this nail. This is very, very important. So eyes, ears, nail, left hand, middle finger, nail. So you can press this. I will give you demonstration how to find painful point around the nail. And if you succeed in finding correct painful point, immediately you will recover. This is the power of nail therapy. Only thing is we should know how to stimulate. But initially, you can just start with warming up. You can press left, right, yes, center. I will teach you how to do. So now, left hand, you have these organs, and right hand, large intestine, bladder, and stomach. Then center part, right hand, middle finger. This is related to external genitals. So if any problem which is externally, yes, external problem in genital area, in external areas, you can do, you can use this nail. Now, according to six key, we have 6 colors. But in this class, we have many participants, those who are very new, and to understand 6 key color, we need to have detailed knowledge, deep knowledge. But I can give you very simple tips as per Triorigin, very easy to understand Triorigin color therapy. You can immediately use that. So at least 2 colors everyone can associate with the environment: red and blue. Red color, yes, very simple. You can understand, very simply you can understand that red color is associated with fire. You can imagine fire, you can imagine sun, warmness. Yes, red color itself is like, red blood. It is giving the feeling of fire. So this red color has very active vibration. We say hetero vibration. So if person has very chronic disease, or any loss of function, then you apply this hetero vibration on the nail. And this hetero vibration means, in the terms of colors, it is red color. Okay, but a blue color, now opposite is blue color. Blue color gives you the sense of coldness. Yes, water. It gives you the sense of this coolness and water. So water, cold, coolness, blue color. So this color has homo vibration, or I can say homo vibration. If you don't understand, so in this universe, whatever you see, this is kind of energy, this is kind of vibration. You see the sun, you see the moon, yes. So actually energy is one, but expression is different. There are many variety of expression. So expansion, when you see the sky, it gives you the feeling of expansion. And when you focus the earth or water under the earth, it gives you the feeling of contraction. Yes, so blue color is associated with cold vibration, yes, contraction vibration. And red color is associated with hetero vibration. So when you see that disease is very acute, like fever, inflammation, high blood pressure, yes, so here you need a coolness. So very simply, actually, you can understand very quickly. This is not very difficult. Red and blue color, you all can understand. So when there is fire like symptoms, what you will use? You need water, so you can use blue color on that nail. So like now you see these organs are located on the nail. If person has acute problem, suddenly problem has come, this kind of problem is considered as hetero vibration, because any acute problem needs power like fire, but chronic is need less it is like low vibration. So in chronic disease we are using fire, we are taking help from fire, so that this rejuvenation, regeneration, expansion, because old diseases are contraction like cancers, like many ulcers, fibroids. These are like cold vibrations, dryness vibration. Okay, so now let's take example. If person, if due to some accident, some situation, of course if there are fractures, you need some medical support also. But if this pain is normal, without any fractures or any cuts or wounds, and if you have a pain, acute pain in this finger, left hand, ring finger, nail, you start pressing this nail, and then you can apply blue color on this. You can paint this nail with blue color. Okay, and then this pressing of nail for 5 minutes continuously, you will find your pain is gone. In case gallbladder related pain because of stones or in the region of gallbladder, if it is acute pain, just start pressing this nail. Now in these days, your this stomach gas acidity, this is very common problem, very common problem. So right hand little finger nail is associated with stomach. Now in this present moment, if anyone has gas and acidity, in present moment any symptom is appearing, just experience now, try it now. Right hand, little finger, the nail, yes, you just start pressing. Okay, and after this I will show how to press also exactly, but now just general pressing, left, right, front, back, deep pressure, continuously do pressure, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, don't stop. Of course you can press, pause, and slowly you will feel that your gas acidity is reducing. After that, after 5 to 6 minutes of this pressing, you apply blue color, because this acute gas acidity is giving a feeling of expansion like hetero symptoms. So blue color means sedation. You need calmness whenever you need to sedate, or you need calmness, you need to slow down the speed, you think about blue color. Now let's say UTI. Yes, UTI. Now what you will do in UTI? So this is acute inflammation. In this case, which color? Now you know the answer. So on this bladder nail, you will paint this nail with blue color, and also we can use round magnet, and I will show after this 2-3 slides. So also any pain, you start pressing the area. Now on the foot, we have solid organs. You see on the hand, these are all Yang's hollow organs. And on the foot, we have solid organ. Left foot, little toe, liver, any kind of liver diseases. Even if you're doing a correspondence system, or you're doing any other therapies, because there are many therapies related to liver. So you can continue, but at the same time, it is very good if you give additional attention to nail therapy. Don't take it just for granted, because these levers have very strong energy. So if you press this nail from time to time, and also if you pay attention and you do seed therapy correctly, your liver condition will improve very quickly. Brain, memory loss, yes, some brain related disease, whether it is big disease or small disease, this toe nail has connection with the brain. Okay, so even people, I have seen that those who have migraines and headaches, and according to corporal meridians, we are working on gallbladder meridians, or we are working on UB meridians. If you don't get result, you please think about this nail also. Don't ignore this. This brain and also some sleep related issues, or any brain related issue. This is very small nail, this is toe, but then again you have to press one by one, check all points. And I want to tell you one thing, in this area, when you are searching painful point with the help of probe, these points are very, very sensitive. Even with the mild pressure, you will find, you will jump. That is why we have to be very intelligent in finding points in this area. Why? Because you see, this is very sensitive area, and also this is yang area. When you check, patient may say that I'm having pain on all points. So it is not, it means then you have not reached the correct point. Correct point means with patience, you check one by one, and then if patient, even with the mild pressure, patient jumps, ouch, ah, it means that is the real point. If you are pressing deep, then everyone will have pain. So let us see now. I will give you some demonstration. Let us see now. So I will show you under my camera how to give pressure. Sharing my screen again. So for example, this is gallbladder nail. Okay, so one demonstration is enough. You can understand for all nails. First of all, we need micro probe. I was searching for micro probe, but this is not very good probe for nail therapy. We have variety of probes. So we need to select probe which has small ball, very small ball anyway. So you can choose accordingly. Now see, like this, on the roots. Yes, this is the root. This is the area where you have to do stimulation. So one by one, this needs patience. And you have to tell your patient from the very beginning that you will get pain. You have to prepare his mind that you will get pain. But then at the same time, first, when you are holding patient hand, don't give deep pressure, because you need to check the threshold, how much patient can bear. Yes, so one by one, you have to check, and don't jump. This is what I want to tell. Don't jump. Sometimes randomly, quickly we are doing, we may miss important point. So that is why closely, and because if you reach the correct point in one day, your disease is solved. This is very, very important. Though simple, but sometimes even if we know, we miss this. So you see, and there are so many points around this area. So according to our Sujok, 8 key points, 6 key points, and also we have multiple points. And for example, now this point is giving me pain. Ouch point means very sharp pain, very sharp pain. Okay, now if you have stomach gas acidity, you have to search here in this right hand nail. So in case, because for me it is easy to do on left hand. So this is gallbladder. So in case you find pain here, yes, you stop here. You can put a mark so that you don't miss that point when you are fixing the seat. For example, now your work is not finished. To get correct result, accurate result, now I'm ready to do treatment. But now this is my point which I have located, but my work is not finished. After, of course, I have confirmed also that this is the main point. And to confirm, I have to press gently on this point with moderate pressure, and still patient jumps without pain, then this is real disease related point. So after reaching the point, then you have to press few seconds before applying the seed. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Don't just do it quickly. You should have patience for perfect result. And after stimulation, in chronic cases, I also recommend to do moxa therapy before you do seed therapy. Very, very important. In my clinical practice, this is very famous treatment, nail therapy treatment. And I actually, I teach all my patients. This is very simple, very easy also, but at the same time, you have to do it with patience. Yes. Now this is the point. After this, because we need practical part also, we need paper tape, surgical tape. This seed is fenugreek seed. And now I will fix my seed on the point, this point, like this. Try to put minimum tape like this. Yes, if I have stomach problem, then I can focus on this nail. Okay, now thing is, next is I want to focus magnet. Now it is also easy, even beginner can understand. To tonify or sedate, we are using these round magnets. This magnet, perfect magnet for nail therapy. Now, please understand, because I know that many beginners are here and most of you know this, okay? But I'm speaking from beginner point of view so that they can use. So these round magnets are easily available in acupressure shop in your city, very common. Also, it is available online, you can see. This is called round magnet, and also some people say chakra magnet, round magnet generally we say. Now, in this magnet, we see yellow color and white color, two types of magnet. Yes, you see, and this is not attached. Okay, now white color, you should write this formula. White color from top view is considered as North Pole. So it means, according to energy flow, the science says that energy flows from north to south. Energy flows from north to south. So this white color, this one, in this pattern, from top view. Now, when I say top view, it means after you, for example, this paper is skin. So after you apply this magnet on the skin, and yellow part will touch the skin and white you can see from the top. This is called tonification. Or sorry, this is called North Pole. Okay, and this, now next is, and if you understand this pattern, you can use in many places. Now this pattern, you see yellow color from top, you see yellow color, and down you see white color. So top view, that is why I'm writing very important. Top view, when you see top view as yellow, and white is touching the skin. This is called South Pole. Okay, so now if you understand this, these poles, which is North Pole and South Pole, then the science says that energy flows from north to south. Now let us understand how this magnet is working. So this is, center is white and so let's assume this is yellow. Center is white. Now center white from, and this is top view. It means you can imagine that this is this kind on the nail, like this. Yes, so like this, after fixing with the help of paper tape, this condition. Center is white and outer is yellow. So this is North Pole and this is South Pole. Okay, now science says energy flows from north to south. It means this is, center is North Pole, so it will flow towards South Pole like this, in this direction. As a result, expansion will happen. Energy expansion will happen. Energy will open. Energy will open. This is expansion. Okay. Now, when I say expansion, it is in our science, we say tonification. When you want to uplift, ascend, expand, so this is called tonification. So this application, now you see this magnet, this magnet. When you apply this magnet on any nail, energy of that nail will expand. Okay, now focus, see another pattern. Here center was white and now here another pattern, center yellow and outer white. Now this is top view, so don't confuse with this top view. So this magnet is top view in this condition. Like this. Yellow center, you know, this is giving sedation effect, and we are using this pattern, we are using this kind of application when stomach or gall, this is like stomach is heterocondition, gas, acidity, inflammation. So this understanding of magnet is very important, and then we can quickly understand how to use, when to use tonification and sedation. So this is south from top view. This is south because this is opposite. If top is yellow, bottom is white. So actually white is touching the skin, and top, from top view, you see yellow color. So this is yellow color and here is white. This is North Pole. Now energy flows from north to south. Okay. As a result, what will happen? It will follow the south and it will go inside. Can you feel the contraction? Contraction, contraction, because going inside towards the South Pole. I really want you to understand the power of this. And sometimes in books you will see that for this magnet, for this disease, you just put this, but we don't know why they are saying like this. So you need to understand that why we are using this so quickly in any disease. Even if you are a beginner, you can use quickly. So this is South Pole, outside is North Pole. As a result, because energy in this condition, energy will flow from north to south, going deep inside, and it is like contraction of energy. Contraction, decreasing, or we can use sedation word. So these two things are very important. After you understand, and then we can choose the name and we can quickly do tonification or sedation. I hope you understand this tonification and sedation part, because magnet is very easily available via Amazon, online, or from any acupressure shop. And this magnet will give good result. And I will tell you how to use. Just write in chat box. I just want to know whether you have understood this magnet rules. Because then we can go ahead. Okay. Very clear, very good. Repeat once, quickly, just quick revision. So now let's say, let's say patient comes to you with, as I told you that this symptom is very common, gas acidity. So patient comes to you. So I can give you simple picture now. Center white, outside yellow, center yellow, outside white. Yes. Now, quick summary. This is called tonification. And please don't forget, this is top view. After application, you should see magnet like this and this kind of magnet. So this is summary. You can take screenshot also. And this is this pattern. This is sedation. Yes. And tonification means increasing energy. Sedation means decreasing energy. Okay. And now I will give you one more easy tip. Easy tip. Okay. Now, when these two magnets, both white, it will not stay easily because you have to support with the tape. It will jump, it will pop up. See? So you have to support with the tape. Also, when you see white center and round white, this is also very powerful after application. So top view, complete white. Complete white, tonification. But I like to use this pattern. Why? Because this is little bit more powerful than this. This is moderate, this is neutral. So only when you know when you are confirmed, yes, how energy is, what is the quantity of energy, then we can use this. But I prefer you use this first, see how patient is responding. If this if patient, this is tonification, this is also tonification. If patient is responding to this magnet, then you can try, because this is little more powerful than this. And then this is sedation. So you need support of paper tape. See? No. Now, see. Top view, after application on the nail. Yes, this is complete yellow is on the top. And this is sedation. Decreasing. So this is similar. Okay, now let's do some practical. Stomach. Acidity. Yes, this is acute symptom. What is acidity? You have to think. Energy is more or less. Expansion, acidity. Yes. So we need to calm down, calmness. We need to add calmness. So what we will do? Sedation. So this kind of application is called sedation with the help of paper tape. Like this. But if patient has a weak stomach, digestion, now sometimes we have to understand that acidity in weak cases also acidity can happen. If this case is very old, like 10 years, 15 years, since many years this person has this acidity problem. Now in this moment you can think that if problem is very chronic, then this patient energy is um, this patient energy is very weak. Acidity means patient stomach is not doing good function. That is why acidity is there. So in that case, we should tonify. We should tonify. Now let's take another example. If patient has spine problem, as per your slide, spine is your spine related nail is this left hand ring finger. This is spine. So if acute pain, you can fix your magnet like this. This is called sedation, pain sedation. But spine degeneration, then you can fix like this, tonification. Chronic spine, some degeneration, yes, in the spine, then you should do tonification like this. This is left hand ring finger. Okay, now I will show you foot, also the same. In foot also, as per the slide, if left, because you know a couple law, yes, you all know couple law. So if left hand this is right hand. Let's say liver, weak liver, fatty liver. If person is not feeling fresh when he gets up in the morning, so it means this is liver disease. And these days you have to focus liver. Liver is actually, you need to work. And if you don't know whether to do tonification or sedation, in that case you can do seed therapy on that. So I'm teaching both. Yes. So like liver is on the left foot. So this is liver nail. So a person has liver disease. Now you see this is very small. Why I took example of this little toe? Because here space is very small. But again, if this is small, this is micro but more powerful. So we should not ignore even a small point around the nail if you really want to treat the liver. See, press, point. We need micro probe. Check one by one. If you know tonification and sedation rule, you can do it. But if you don't know, then you can check points, and wherever you get painful point, you can just fix the seed. But now weak liver, and if patient is not feeling fresh in the morning, then every day 2 hours, every day 2 hours, you should paste like this with the help of paper tape around the nail. You should fix this magnet like this. So now idea is I gave one or two examples so that you can understand how to apply this magnet. Also, now let's see further slides. Because now you have understood tonification and sedation, how to do, we can understand now more. Now, if person has body fatigues, please pay attention here. Kidney stones, sedate. Okay, now again I'm telling you one thing, sedate or tonify. This is very actually very technical question. So if symptoms are very clear, for example, weak liver, if doctor says your stomach is very weak, old, okay, then you have to tonify. But if any problem which is acute and suddenly happened, suddenly coming, then in this case you should sedate. And then third is, please try to find painful point. This is very easy for beginners. I'm giving you all because in this class, many students, they know, many participants, they know about energies, so they can use this tonification sedation. And if you're really beginner, better you do seed therapy. That is also very good, very good. Now, for piles, like I'm reading a question, you can apply large intestine, yes. Now let's focus. First, let us see all slides and then we can discuss. Now, if in Corona, if person has lost his smell, what you will do if this round magnet, what you will do? Loss of any function is like neutral state, is like zero state. In this case, what you will do? Sedation or tonification? Yes, tonification. Very good. Yes, red color or tonification. And now I want to tell about body fatigues. So left hand and right hand thumb is corresponding to complete body. This thumb is corresponding to complete body. So if person has body pain, body fatigues, so in this moment you do twist therapy and massage of thumb for few minutes and then press the nail of the thumb. And when I say pressing the nail, it means you have to press the center part of the nail and also all points around the nail with the help of probe. Do just 10 minutes work on the thumb and you will see how your body is energized. You have to experience this. You can try now. Okay, now let's see next slide about this is again very important. This is related to endocrine glands. Endocrine glands. Now these days, thyroid gland issues, this is very common. Then also pancreas issues, diabetes. So now your left hand thymus gland, your ring finger pituitary gland, then pineal body, thyroid, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland again very important gland, like body fatigues, body stress, physical stress, or mental stress. You know that adrenal glands are helping to fight because this is very special gland, and in all kinds of stresses you should pay attention to adrenal gland. So if whenever you have mental stress or body stress, just try to stimulate. Now you know all the patterns of treatment, and you can find the point. If you can find the point, it is very good. So around the nail you can find the point, or you just do simple massage or pressing on the nail. Then you can feel within few minutes, you will feel that your mind is becoming calm and relaxed, and your body is becoming relaxed. So when you're applying seeds, fenugreek seeds are very good because this is yang side and bony side. So we need flat kind of seed. Okay. And then ovaries, testicles, ovary issues, this right hand, little finger. Color is like when you are thinking about colors, if it is acute, then you should do sedation, blue color. But if fatigues and pains are very chronic, then you should apply red color. Now ovary cyst, yes, ladies, those who have ovary cyst, then they should do this treatment daily. Now here we have same endocrine gland available on the foot. You see the same adrenal gland on the right foot, index toe, and also on the hand, right hand index finger. So adrenal glands are available on hand and foot, but when to use hand and when to use foot is the criteria. Chronic cases, you will work on the foot. Okay. And in acute cases, you will work on the hand. Cyst in the brain, you have to work on the brain organ, this one. Brain organ, this one. This is foot because same, this brain, this nail is very important. I told you related to brain. Okay. Now foot, you see thyroid. If person has hyperthyroid, you see there are two patients. One patient has hyperthyroid and second patient has hypothyroid. Above diaphragm, hands are located, and below diaphragm, foot is located. So above diaphragm, hand towards the sky, it is giving the feeling of yang and hetero symptoms, and below diaphragm, it is giving the feeling of homo and contraction symptoms. So hyperthyroid. So hypothyroid. So hyperthyroid, we should treat on the hand, and hypothyroid, we should treat on the foot. This round magnet, 2 hours every day. Color therapy also 2 hours every day, and then you should remove. And then you be very careful. Some people are very sensitive to this powerful magnet. In case you feel any discomfort, you can remove magnet immediately, and you can do seed therapy. Okay. Now, when I told you body related problem, also I want to say that in left hand, if body pain is due to, suddenly, because for example, you had some party in your home, some marriage function, and your body exertion. This is acute exertion and suddenly, yes, and recent situation. So in this case, you should focus left thumb. But if chronic problem, you should focus left thumb and right thumb of the hand. But if chronic fatigues and body pains, then you should focus big toe of both foot. Now here, in all chronic disorders, I recommend to do moxa therapy on the nail, and then you can find the points painful point around the nail before you do, first find and then you do seed therapy. So body fatigues, body pain, thumb, your both thumb and your big toes are very important. Now, okay. Okay. So now I want to focus also your techniques. Like for beginners, I want to focus massage techniques. Massage techniques. If you have any problem in your body, okay, then also it is good. But if you don't have any problem, then I want to advise that because you all are doing yoga every day, some exercise now these days, people are very much aware and alert. Yes. So please add these nail exercise in your routine life. And it does not need special time. You can do when you are watching TV. Yes, you can do when you are talking, but please do add. And 15 days you do continuously every day and you will see the change. And also, in case you don't know what problem, according sometimes because each nail is also connected to some or the other energy according to 6 key and triorigin, and we don't know, of course, after studying all those you will understand, but as a beginner we don't know that which energy. Then I will tell you very simple thing. Please, every day you press your nail and press center part of nail. Now please do it. So if you get more than moderate pain, yes, more than moderate pain, this nail is a symbol, is giving you symbol that attention is required. Now this nail is connected either to some meridian, some also emotion, some sense organ or some energy. So when you press this nail with attention, slowly you will see changes in your body. Many times, if you just do nail therapy, your body is changing quickly, because nail also, I want to tell you, as Professor Park Jae-woo, then he introduced the big insect system. Last time I touched insect system, and when he touched big insect system, all these fingers are corresponding to brain. According to arm and leg system, all toes and all fingers are corresponding to brain. Yes. And then also, insect system finger therapy, according to that also, all nails are corresponding to your scalp, your brain. This is your nervous system, your high power. This is powerhouse, and we are ignoring. And also, when we talk about color therapy, please pay attention that these days, ladies, they are, like to paint different colors on the nail. In ancient days, in olden days, we just had a red color, maroon color, pink color. But these days you will see blue color. Yes, green, blue, black color. You will see they like to paint their nails with black colors. This is not good, actually, not good. Okay, so you should know your energies. Red, orange, pink, these are like progressive energies. Okay, that is why, especially when you have fatigues and body pains, it is not good to apply black color. Or if you have a person has homo condition of disease, cancers and fibroids, and some body aches, pains, cold body, one should not apply blue or black color on the nail. So you have to be careful when you're doing color therapy, because colors, these nails are very sensitive. It looks very hard. Now here I want to tell you that in this zone we have hardness also, and also we have very strong power of hetero also. This is a very good combination of hetero and homo. These are neutral zones. So also this is related to all brain. That is why you will see that people, those who are playing drums with the help of, or tabla with the help of fingers. They are using their fingertips, lot of pressure on fingers every day. Or if you're walking on your toes, your brain, your memory will become very sharp brain memory. Yes, so that is why we should encourage our children to, these days they are very busy with their mobile, their fingertips are with the electronics vibrations, but it is not pressure, it is not good. So very, very important. So when we are like in our childhood days, we used to give very good toys to our children, so that we used to pick up, though we should pick up those toys from the shop which are stimulating the tips of fingers of children. Okay, now I want to come back to my topic, that if you are checking every day, you should press your nail like this. This is a demonstration of one finger, but then you have to press all fingers, and also if possible, please do press toes nail also. Wherever you get pressure, please, wherever you get pain, please press that nail many times in a day, because when you press this painful point, curative waves are released. If you don't do good correct pressure, then correct curative waves are, so this is kind of electric short circuit. You are increasing pain, but this pain is not purposely, you're not giving purposely. You have to keep the threshold of the patient in your mind. Okay, so that moderate range. So this is first step, you should check every day. This should become part of your yoga. Then this is second, this is like you are pressing an area located in the center part, sorry, here you see center of the nail border, and then this pressure is in the direction against the nail growth. So you have to press in such a direction, because if you have long nails, you cannot do. If you have short nails, then you can do this. So this is also because from each direction particular kind of energy is releasing, so we need to press from all direction. Then your third step is massage the root area of the nail. This is very important. Okay, because here nails are growing. Nails in your body are quickly growing. Why nails are growing? You cut your nails today, and after 2 days you see again growth. No other part can grow so quickly like nails. Then what is this then? Creator is giving you message. Here we have very powerful energy, very powerful energy. And also the root of the nail, the source is here, root is here. From here, nail is getting the nourishment. From here, nail is getting the energy. So third number, you should press this root nicely, or better you use your nail of another hand, and you press one by one all roots. Okay, this will really energize your nail. And then fourth and fifth step is you have to focus both sides of nail. Yes, because here we have around the nail, we have 6 energy related point, we have 8 energy related point, we have points of wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness, brightness, and darkness. So all these energies are around the nail. Very powerful energies are around the nail. That is why I told you, when we die, if you keep body for few hours, this nail will still grow. Why? This is very strong energy. We should use this power. So 4 and 5. Then sixth is that sixth is you have to massage vertical on the tip of the nail border in downward direction. Please do it now. And when you massage towards downward, don't quickly leave your hand. Stay there for 1 minute. And if you have long nails, you cannot do. But if you have short nails, please do it now. Yes, your nail should go down and stay there. Pause for at least few seconds and then release. Do it again. So at least 4 times one nail you have to do 4 times for each nail, and this is how you can do. And then also please focus foot. That is why I told you, please make this nail exercise as part of your yoga, or you are doing aerobics and you are doing many kinds of exercise. Add few minutes. Then massage vertical on the tip of the nail border in upward direction. Yes, all these direction, like this, all when you do all these directional massage, you are creating spiral wave in this area. Spiral wave. Your spiral energy is activated, your neutro energy is activated, and within 15 days, you just do it. Just do it. Within 15 days, you will feel that your sleep is improved. When you're doing all these kinds of nail massages and exercises, your sleep is improving, your circulation is improving, your memory, especially special improvement you will see in your brain. Because as I told you that all nails are representing your brain also. So you will see your brain. And then one more important message I want to give, that this nail also has connection with your gums and teeth. Your gums will become very strong. Participants, those who have Sujok knowledge, they know that here we have animal correspondence system. Your gums will become very strong. Your teeth will become very strong. If you have cavities and caries, if you have degeneration of teeth, yes, and shaking of teeth, your loose teeth like this, it will improve. So this kind of massage. And if chronic cases, if very chronic, like uh, cancers and all homo diseases, as I told you, fatigues, pains, cold body, you do this massage. Moxa. Seed therapy is required when you have targeted disease, that yes, I have stomach disease, or I have spinal cord disease. So seed therapy you don't need to do on all nails. You can choose the nail accordingly, and you can do seed therapy on one nail. But this massage techniques you should do on all nails. And then this is very popular technique in India. Our Ramdev ji is also guiding this, that this is very good for your hairs. But now you can understand why this is good for your hair. And I want to give you this tip. If you have hair fall or any face related problem, hair fall, any brain related problem, especially, of course, this will have influence on all body. So if you can find castor oil, 1 drop of castor oil, you can just apply on the nail, just 1 drop. Yes, just 1 drop. And if you don't find cast, though it is very easily you can find in grocery shop, but if you don't have it, then you can use any oil, but castor oil is very good. Just apply on the nail and then rub it. Now just let us do this experiment. Now you can take screenshot of this. All steps are there, and then we will talk. Yes, you can take screenshot of this. Now see, just now you will do. Yes, now don't go for oil, later you can do it. Now when we are doing like this, sometimes even they hear Ramdev ji saying, and it is very good tip, but still they cannot control their hair fall. Why? Still no result is coming. Why result is not coming? Okay, you want slide again? Okay. Okay, I just saw in the chat box that you need slide again. So please take screenshot. Okay. Okay. So what happens, that you just do it for a few seconds and then you stop. It is not correct. If you really want to take care of your hair, long hair, black hair, so what you will do with castor oil, you will do massage and don't stop. Okay. Start slowly, slowly. and increase the pressure and vibration and frequency. And then slowly, slowly, why we need castor oil? This has medicinal property, and also it will not spoil the surface of your nail. And then slowly, slowly increase the speed till the time you feel vibration. Continue, 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 continue for 1 minute, 2 minutes, continue, continue, continue. Do it now. Do it now. Continue, continue, continue. Yes, continue, 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 continue. And because we have less time, so I'm stopping now, but you can continue. You see, when you open your hand, I started feeling vibration here on my hand. And if you do more, your vibration you will feel in the arms, and also you will feel, as a result, all these vibration will reach all parts of your body. So this is very good for hair fall. And if you do it 15 days with this castor oil, you will see your hair fall will stop. At the same time, if it is early gray hair, you will see many changes. If it is old age, then it will not change because it is nature's call. But if this is early white hair, then you will see your white, some places you will see miracles also, and baldness, hair fall, it will go. But now after studying, this is subject is be little more. We have actually, when we know triogen and 6 key, we can use this subject more efficiently. This is very, I introduced from beginner's point of view. But when you're doing nail massage or technique, so what you do when you're watching TV, please learn all those steps, 1, 2, like this, all steps, whatever we have done now. And then last you do like this. Last you do like this. This should become part of your routine. And next time when I meet, please let me know how is your energy level. Just 1 time a day is good. 1 time is good enough. Don't need to do every time. But from treatment, this is like general maintenance of your body. But if you have disease, then you have to do treatment very systematically. Hypothyroid, I told you, this round magnet, yes, and how to do seed therapy. Now you have slides, and you know where is diabetes related nail, where is liver related nail, where is large intestine related nail. If you have constipation, if you have any problem, then you just try to find the painful point. And now if you don't have round magnet, or if you have not understood how to tonify or sedate, don't worry, just you should know which nail you can. And if you don't have this probe also, this pin, yes, this pin, hair pin, you see this is not very pointed, this is round shape, yes. And then on the nail you can just press this, and I want you to start your treatment immediately, even if you don't have tools. So this pin, you can start searching painful point around the nails, and then you can fix the fixed seed. Don't apply black pepper, you should apply methi seeds. And now I'm looking your questions in upper and lower limb pain. Okay, this is good question. Now see, limb pain, whatever question pops in front of me, though there are many questions, but my attention whenever goes, I give answer. So if person has leg pain, yes, leg pain. Now, according to your correspondence system, you all know that middle two fingers are you quickly, because some people, they are listening for the first time. In 2 minutes, I can tell that hand is similar to human body. When you know that hand is similar to human body, then you can use this nail therapy more effectively. Leg pain, arm pain, or some varicose veins in the leg, or some frozen shoulder, arm pain. Now, let us have a quick look. This hand is similar to human body. When you see the body, the central part is squarish, and from this squarish, 5 projections are coming: head, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Same way, in this hand, you see this is squarish form. Yes, and from squarish form, 5 projections are coming. Middle 2 fingers are legs and side 2 fingers are arm, and this is the head. Okay, this much. Now, if middle 2 fingers are leg, and of course you have to keep your hand like this, because this is contraction part. In my body, this is contraction part. So contraction part, small body contraction and your big body contraction should face same direction. So don't keep like this, keep like this. Now, because I'm coming to your question, because you have asked this question, if person has leg pain or arm pain, and you will do it now, and tomorrow morning you should get up with big smile. Yes. So now 2 legs, middle 2 fingers are legs, side 2 fingers are your arms, and this is your head. Now, very easy. If person has leg pain, then where you will massage. Now, left and right, I'm not focusing. Just do it, because no side effect if you do it extra. Middle 2 fingers are legs. So if you press the nail, if you press nail here, yes. Now, what procedure? Same procedure. You have to press nicely, you have to find painful point, and you have to do moksha and then do seat therapy. Just with the nail, you can energize your leg. So your leg pain will go. If you have arm weakness or arm pain, side 2 fingers are corresponding to your arms, middle 2 fingers legs, and side 2 fingers are your arms. So you have to massage your this little finger and index finger nail for your arm diseases. Okay. Any other question? Ouch pain. Okay. Hypothyroid, how to place chakra magnet on feet. See, hypothyroid. So this from top view, when you fix magnet on the nail, then from top view, you should see this. This is called tonification, and this you should fix it on the foot for hypothyroid. So yes, here is the question. I have vertical lines. Now please, if you have vertical lines on all nails, this is some condition of body, but don't worry, don't worry. Just press and try to find, because you see, sometimes it is not necessary that you have lines on all nails. It doesn't mean that you have a problem in many parts. No. If one organ has problem, so this affects neighbor organ also. So try to figure it out. Press each nail one by one and check which nail is giving you sharp pain, and then pay attention on that nail. Do seat therapy on that nail, and then regular massaging, and that seat massaging will give you good result. Okay. Black spot on the thumb and toenails. Yes. This is according to our energies, because maybe in future I will discuss energies. When you see black spot, this is related to cold energy. This is related to darkness and cold energy. Black patch on face. Please, face, cervical, any problem, pay attention to your thumb. You do twist, you do massage, and you do this nail massage. Psoriasis is skin related problem. So for psoriasis, we are treating this energy, dryness energy. So according to this is dryness energy. This right hand index finger, so you should work on the right hand index finger nail. For weakness, can we tonification don't do on the thumb, because thumb is representing full body and has is very, we should not tonify until we know full history or story. Thumbnail, all these fingernails good to do tonification and sedation, but thumbnail you can do massage or seat therapy. Flatulence is
Smile
right.
time is 10 o'clock.
Okay.
think we can wind up the session for the day. We know that you're coming after that ISA certification goes from the ISA platform. And dear friends, there's a happy news as there is a SISKI level 2 session will be starting on 25th.